Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a complete professional workflow for creating a Christmas commercial using pure AI, super fast. We'll start by generating our character, a red dachshund dressed as Santa, and our product photos using Nano Banana, and then we'll animate the whole scene in Google VO3. The final result will be a cozy, cinematic Christmas clip where our little Santa dachshund carries a gift box of chocolates under the Christmas tree. If you're selling products, if you're a marketer, or you simply want to create beautiful seasonal visuals, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Before we start clicking buttons, let me show you what we're actually building. This is a short Christmas ad, 10 to 12 seconds, with strong emotional storytelling. Why dachshund? Because animals in costumes convert incredibly well for Christmas ads. They're cute, warm, and irresistible. And why chocolates? Because they're the universal holiday gift. And yes, VO3 handles all the animation, walking, lighting, cinematic camera, everything. It's honestly impressive how far AI video has come. Okay, first step, let's open Nano Banana. This tool is fantastic for character creation because the consistency is great and the lighting is beautifully clean. Here, we're going to create our main hero, a red dachshund wearing a Santa costume. And trust me, getting the character right is 50% of your final result. I'm generating around 4 or 5 variations because you always want backups. Never rely on a single generation, even if it looks perfect at first glance. Let's take a look. Yes, this one is perfect. The eyes are expressive, the fur texture looks real, and the Santa outfit isn't distorted. Save this image. We'll use it as a reference in VO. Next, we need the actual product, the chocolates. The trick with product photos is to make them look more premium than they do in real life. AI is great for this. Again, I generate several angles, front view, slight tilt, maybe a close-up. The more reference material we give VO3, the better motion and realism it produces. I'll take these. Now let's go into Google VO3. Create a new video project. Here, we upload our reference images. First, the dachshund Santa, then the chocolate box. Pro tip: VO3 responds extremely well when you clearly separate character references and product references. If you mix them, the results become muddier. This way, we keep the design crisp. Now, I'm going to write the core prompt. This is where all the magic happens. Let me walk you through it line by line. I'll explain everything I'm typing. This defines the hero plus basic action. This adds the product connection. Fireplaces improve Christmas atmosphere by 40%. A strong emotional detail. We anchor the tree position to control composition. We define the final moment, a satisfying ending shot. This is the style. VO3 loves cinematic language. This prompt gives VO enough structure to avoid randomness, but enough freedom to animate naturally. Now I choose the style preset. For Christmas content, I always pick something like cinematic, warm glow, holiday lights, because it enhances the texture of the dog and the lighting becomes soft and magical. Trust me, lighting is the difference between amateur AI and professional AI. Click Generate. Wait a moment. Okay, here's the first result. Not bad at all. The scene looks natural, the fur is readable, and the warm glow from the tree is beautiful. But I think the camera moves a bit too fast, so I'll refine the prompt. Slower camera movement. More gentle walking pace. Regenerate. Yes, now we have a much smoother Christmas atmosphere. This is the one we'll use for the final ad. Now let's drop the clip into an editor. I'll use CapCut for this demo because it's fast and has built-in Christmas effects. Also add a soft Christmas jingle, nothing too aggressive. Calm bells always convert better. Add a simple fade-in/fade out and overlay a little film grain to remove the AI shine and make it look more natural. And that's it. In just a few minutes, using Nano Banana and Google VO3, we created a fully animated Christmas commercial featuring a dachshund Santa delivering a box of chocolates. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what kind of AI ad you want to see next.